Do you want that thick, wide, armor-protected chest that makes your t-shirt scream for help? Stop wasting time with random workouts. In this video, I'll reveal the best science back chest exercises that actually build size, shape, and power. Let's turn your flat chest into a beast mode pec self. Starting now. Welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for real muscle building knowledge. If you're serious about growing a massive chest that turns head in and out of the gym, hit the subscribe button and let's dive in. Bench press is king. Let's start with the undisputed king, the barbell bench press. This compound movement targets your overall chest mass. Go heavy, focus on progressive overload, and keep your form tight. Flat bench for mid-chest. But to fully grow your pec, you need to more angle, and you are getting there. Focus on upper chest. A weak upper chest equals flat-looking pecs. To fix that, add the inclined bench press or inclined tumble press. Hit it with 8 to 2 reps for hypertrophy. Slight incline at 30 degrees. Hit that clavicular head without stressing your shoulder too much. Next up, tumble presses. Why? Because dumbbell give you a greater range of motion, deeper stretch, and more muscle activation. Start with flat and inclined tumble presses. Control the weight down, explode up. That's how we build size and strength. Mass is built with presses, but shape is curved with isolation. Add cable crossover or pectic fly to your routine. Focus on the squeeze, full stretch, hold, then control release. Do 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Feel the pull, embrace the pump. Don't sleep on chest dips. Lean forward slightly to target the lower chest and go deep for full contraction. Wetter dips equal insane growth and definition. If bodyweight is easy, add a belt and start stacking plates. Want consistent chest gains? Train chest 1 to 2 times a week. Include a mix of heavy presses and high rep isolation, and focus on mind-muscle connection. And don't forget your chest grow outside at the gym. Eat big, sleep deep, recover smart. Now that you've got a blueprint to a monster chest, it's time to hit the gym like a beast. Hit the like button if you learned something new. Drop a comment with your favorite chest move and subscribe for more fitness content coming your way. Train like a warrior, eat like a beast, and build the chest you've always wanted. This is the bulk fit, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's grow.